Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ammar Mohammad Sonu from 8. Today we have prepared a model of a projector. So now what is a projector? A projector is an optical device that projects an image onto a surface, commonly a projection screen. It works on the principle of magnifying and projecting light. So I'll show you how does it work. First of all, I'll put a rose, an image of rose on that, and I'll adjust the screen so that it can focus on that. And usually we see moon and stars in the sky, but now I can get it on the wall. So what is the use of a projector in our life? Projector can be a fun and used in educational way to understand the basic principles of projection. It can be used in educational presentations, project videos, and movies on screen in theater, light shows, demonstration of lenses and mirror, astronomy demonstrations such as lunar and solar eclipses by projecting image on wall. Study and visualize information and data, and can be used for many other purposes. Thank you.
My name is Mohammad Zainab and I am studying medicine.
My name is Mohammad Abdul I am studying 9th standard.
My name is Rahil Ahmad. I am studying in 9th standard.
Virtual reality. Virtual reality is a computer-generated environment with the scenes and objects that appears to be real, making their users feel they are immersed in their surrounding, which is making surrounding is real, making and
No handrail. Okay, that's great, EV2. Space Station Command, Houston here. We are ready to open the airlock.
feel they are immersed in
Copy that, Houston. Air hatch is opening.
EV2, your toolbox is attached to your waist belt. We're ready for you to move outside. Grab hold of the yellow handle. Pull yourself up.
6 years of training was worth it for this, right?
Take it nice and easy. We want to keep your heart rate steady. Anything under 80 beats per minute is great. EV2, readings down here are optimal. This is going to be a walk in the park.
My name is Mohammad Zainab and I am studying in 9th standard.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohammad Abdul I am studying in 9th standard. Today we have designed a software for Alexa. When we execute it, it will answer these questions. Ma'am, you can ask these questions from Alexa. Ready? Yes,
I am listening.
Alexa, what is the time?
Current time 10:37 a.m. I am listening. I am listening.
Alexa, do you like coffee?
Yes, I do. I like black coffee with milk very much. I am listening.
Alexa, tell me your best friend.
I have a really strong connection to your Wi-Fi. I am listening.
That's all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Zainab from 9th standard. My name is Umar Farooq Aghalpur from a 9th standard. Today we will be explaining you about how and why flood occurs. Mostly it's a natural disaster, but we will be explaining you through a model. So Farooq will be explaining you why does a flood occur. If there is a place experiencing rainfall out of its limits, then that rainfall can damage the condition a lot, like it can destroy the buildings, fill up the water in a low lying. As the river overflows, if the river overflows, we can experience flood. As the wind blows with the pressure, it pushes the water with high speed and creates a very huge wave which destroy the whole city. As we know that them what's birth, we eat bread, eat can, we are threat to the BSA. Now I'll explain you how flood occurs. When the above conditions are going on, the tides which are going normal level at a normal level rise due to the pressure. As they rise, they change their movement in a very fast way, and also they go upwards, in which we show a rise of water level. Along with the tidal movement also increases, leading to a huge wave, which is the first wave, blows along with the wind, which can be destructive for the whole city. So some causes we have here. Flood. Flood can give us good advantages of flood. It enhances nutritional value of the soil. Like it cleans up all the impurities which are above the soil. Like it's cleaning over here. It's taking all those impurities back to water. And then it contributes fertile environment for vegetation. The places where water didn't reach for years will reach due to flood and will have a proper vegetation. Flood causes nothing but different. Thank you.